Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming admin access and that Windows 8 is running. This lets you change system-level start menu behavior. Open the Charms bar, move the cursor to the upper right corner or press Win+C, then choose Settings and change PC settings. Once done, navigate to Personalize so you can edit the start screen and tiles directly. Make sure to pace yourself and keep a backup of current tile layout. That way you can revert if a change doesn't feel right. Now you'll reshape the start screen. Right-click any tile to resize it, unpin apps you don't use, or access app-specific options. Drag tiles to form logical groups, then zoom out, right-click the group, and give it a descriptive name. Once done, open PC settings right arrow start to toggle suggestions, show most used apps, or display recently added applications. These options control how many tiles and what content appears. Make choices that reduce clutter. To finalize, sign out and back in or restart Explorer in Task Manager so the start layout commits. This ensures tile positions persist. If a tile won't change or an app behaves oddly, run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, or reset the app from settings right arrow apps. These fix permission and corruption issues. If things still go wrong, restore the system point you created earlier. Make sure to document what you changed so you can reverse specific steps without guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.